Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes YouTube channel. In this video, we are guests at the Döner shop and restaurant chain Maydanoz Döner. Together, we will take a look at how chicken dürüm, long zurna dürüm, and meat Döner Iskender Kebab are prepared. With its clean and hygienic environment and its rich and diverse menu, it instantly whets the appetite. Here you can clearly see that the chicken Döner is sliced by a robot and prepared without any hand contact. The Döner kebabs are prepared in a factory using special recipes and delivered to the business already wrapped. Everything is fresh, reliable, and carefully prepared. The environment is neat, systematic, and exactly as it should be. On the 5-burner Döner grill, the Döner kebab rotates automatically and is cooked evenly on all sides. The chicken meat is not overcooked, because if it is overcooked, it becomes dry. When it reaches the perfect doneness, the automatic Döner knife is activated and begins slicing it into thin pieces. For this, pressing a single button is enough. Thanks to this system, risks such as the master burning his hand or injuring himself are eliminated. While the Döner is being sliced by the robot, the bread and garnishes are prepared on the other side. In this way, the process speeds up and the customer does not have to wait. Tomatoes, peppers, onions, pickles, and French fries are added to the chicken Döner wrap according to preference. "100 grams of chicken meat are placed in each wrap. Mayonnaise and tomato sauce are also added entirely according to the customer's choice. What you see here is the long zurna dürüm. The long, pepper sauce-coated lavash is placed on the counter. Again, ingredients are added according to preference. Garlic mustard sauce is added and tomato sauce is poured on top. However, the most important point here is this. After the tomato sauce is added and the wrap is rolled, it is not served immediately. On the plate grill, the outside of the bread is nicely toasted. After the wraps are toasted, I can't help but say that the resulting appearance is truly a masterpiece. The dürüm kebabs are packaged and there is also home delivery service available. They arrive at your door by motorcycle in about 10 minutes. You can prepare an ayran or a cold cola at home and enjoy it piping hot. When preparing Iskender Kebab, first the pita breads are toasted and the butter begins to melt. Here you see the hot, special Iskender sauce. The pita breads are cut into small pieces and carefully arranged on a boat-shaped plate. Strained yogurt is added on the side. Meanwhile, the butter continues to heat up. The meat doner, specially prepared for Iskender, rotates and cooks in the same way using an automatic system. You can clearly see the fat ratio of the meat here. The fat content needs to be high in both meat doner and chicken doner. Otherwise, the doner will not brown properly and will become dry. Any excess fat already drips downward and is separated from the system in this way. They use sauce model doner grills, and these grills are equipped with incredible mechanical systems. However, at certain points, human masters still take over the job. As you can see here, our master slices the doner thinly in the traditional way using the original doner knife. The sliced meat is added on top of the previously prepared pide pieces. Then, fried green peppers and tomato slices are placed on the edge of the plate. The hot Iskender sauce is poured over the meat. This sauce is mild, sweet, and has a soft flavor. It does not disturb you while eating. It is not like an intense tomato paste taste, but lighter and more balanced. Now comes the final touch, the most important secret. Hot, nicely foamed butter is poured on top. It must be generously foamy, and original butter must definitely be used. The Iskender Kebab is now coming to our table. All that's left for us is to eat and test this treat. Sorry, but I will finish this plate until it is completely clean. Everyone should taste this flavor. It looks amazing. It is carefully prepared and done exactly as it should be. Even if robots are working, this traditional flavor and traditional methods are always the best. Yes, we have come to the end of today's video. At Maydanoz Döner, we saw step-by-step how Döner and Iskender Kebab are prepared. When hygiene, systems, speed, and flavor come together, the result is truly enjoyable. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share your comments. See you in new videos, and already, enjoy your meal.